Welcome back to our channel 5 Men Garden Pro, where creativity meets sustainability. And today's video, we are diving into the wonderful world of DIY garden decorations made from wood and upcycled materials. Get ready to transform your outdoor space into a personal oasis with these budget friendly and eco friendly ideas. Let's get started. Our first project combines the rustic charm of weathered wood with the beauty of nature. Gather some old wooden plants and turn them into a stunning vertical garden. Attach small pots or repurposed cans to the plants and fill them with your favorite herbs or colorful flowers. Hang this unique piece on a fence or wall and watch your garden come alive. Next up, let's take a look at repurposing old wooden leathers instead of throwing them away. Give them a new purpose as plant stands. Simply sand them down, paint them in vibrant colors, and add some potted plants on each step. This not only adds height and visual interest to your garden, but also saves if you are working with limited area. For our next project, we will upcycle old wooden chairs into eye-catching planters, remove the seat and backrest, then band the chairs in vibrant hues to bring a pop of color to your garden. Fill the seat area with soil and plant your favorite flowers or cascading vines. Arrange these charming chair planters and a corner or along a pathway to create a whimsical and inviting atmosphere. Now, let's turn our attention to upcycled materials. Gather old tin cans and transform them into charming hanging lanterns. Clean the cans thoroughly, punch holes and decorative patterns, and paint them in your preferred colors. Place tea light candles inside the cans and hang them from tree branches or a pergola. These magical lanterns will add a warm and cozy ambience to your garden during those enchanting summer evenings. And there you have it. Four fantastic DIY garden decoration ideas using wood and upcycled materials. Not only are these projects fun and rewarding, but they also promote sustainability by giving new life to old items. Remember, the possibilities are endless when it comes to creating unique and personalized garden decor. So grab your tools, let your imagination run wild. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more creative and eco-friendly DIY ideas. Share your own garden decoration projects in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crafting.